Make sure you stay until the end. We will explain common mistake people make when replacing fuses, relays, guys, and how that can cost you quite a bit of money that you don't need to spend. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Chevy Malibu. We're talking specifically about this generation right here from year 2016 to year 2023, guys. If you have one of those and you're trying to find where the TPMS light fuse is located, guys, stay with us. We'll explain about that, what you need to use and all that stuff, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping. That way you do not waste your money and time. And why it's important to always test fuses and relays. All that, guys, will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us, guys. If you have a Chevy Malibu, we're talking about that generation here from 2006 to all the way 2023, guys. If you have one of those, we'll be making a video about every fuse, every relay in that car. Why we do that, guys? To save you time and money. Let's say you're down the road, you're in the middle of nowhere, your car does not start, you're trying to find where the engine starter fuse or fuel pump fuse is located. All you have to do, come to the channel, search, less than 1-2 minutes, you fix that problem, you're back on the road. Because sometimes in the menus it will not be cleared, it will not be mentioned, guys. If you need to buy, guys, okay, any parts, tools, fuses, anything for your Chevy Malibu at a really good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money, we will share the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. Now, here in the garage, guys, we constantly work on things, constantly working on new vehicles, guys. We do engine work, mechanical work, transmission work, body work, anything you can think of. So we're constantly adding new vehicles. So if you need help with anything, just leave a comment below. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So now, guys, the TPMS light fuse, where you can expect to find it. You guys have 3 different fuse boxes in that generation Chevy Malibu, and we will demonstrate here on a 2017 model. The first fuse box is on the driver's side. Open the door. Now, once you guys open the door, you're going to notice, okay, that next to the under the headlight switch, next to the steering wheel on the left side, you have that cover. Open that cover and you will see a fuse box layout that looks just like this one right here. But before we continue, guys, let's explain why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the JK's fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So here, guys, none of these fuses, those are mostly for the body control module, guys, and the body functions of your Chevy Malibu is actually for the TPMS light. Now, if you open the hood, you have 2 more fuse boxes. One is right here under that cover. This is the main engine fuse box. That's what it looks like. This is the same one, just a different angle. And again, nothing here is for the TPMS light. You have another one that's on the positive battery terminal right here. When you open it, it looks like this one. But those are main fuses, guys, power steering, alternator, main power fuses. So where practically, guys, okay, is the TPMS fuse? Bad news, you don't have one. But we will explain how you can fix your problem. The TPMS fuse is missing due to the fact that it's for safety reasons, because if your TPMS light is on and you want to turn it off, you cannot just unplug the fuse, because it's safety, guys, safety feature, kind of like airbags. So it's made to where you cannot turn it off without fixing the problem, unless you do some hardcore illegal programming. But now there are a few different kinds of tools on the market that can help you fix that. There is this is a TPMS sensor activator. It's very inexpensive, it's very cheap, but it doesn't work as good too. That's what we use here at the shop, Maxi Cs, guys, the Maxi TPMS TS408. This reads your problems, okay, it tells you which sensor is bad, For instance, we'll just show you on this car right here, okay? It's the same like having a Chevy Malibu. We'll just demonstrate on this one. You can go to TPMS, we're going to select that, and you select the vehicle that we have. Okay, for instance, here at the garage, okay, we have that Dodge that we're going to demonstrate quick, and all you have to do, click the model, select, okay, what year and model you have here. Okay, let's see which one is ours. I think it's this one. It might be 16 or 17, and you can scan the sensors, guys. You can scan single sensor, you can program rewarm procedure. It's going to tell you, if you see the rewarm procedure, what you need to do to reset it. Okay, if you want to scan a single sensor, you can do that as well. You just click yes, and you go close to the wheel. Okay, and we're going to click trigger. Let's see if it's going to find it. Yep, it tells you that's a good sensor. It tells you the pressure, the temperature, and all that stuff. But you need a tool like that, guys, to actually fix your TPMS light on your Chevy Malibu. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.